deal? It's your girl Retta Styles. I know I've been gone for a minute, y'all. I be having to get some stuff together. You know what I'm saying? Excuse my room. Having to get some stuff together. This video that I'm going to drop here be of some goddess locks, but I kind of switched it up on my client a little bit and I did them distressed. I'm gonna show you guys what I did, but I didn't use Cuban twist this time. I actually used Nui spring twist, so you guys can find it at y'all beauty store. Yeah, this is what I used on my client, as well as curly hair, because I didn't really show what products I use. So y'all know this is kind of like a watch me work, so I just want y'all to just watch me work. We're gonna get into this video. You guys can follow my hair page on Instagram at RettaStyleMe_. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel because your girl got some shit going on. Okay, but it's coming. It's coming.
Y'all just saw my lights turn up.
We finna get into this video so y'all can see how it's going. Okay, see y'all soon. So right here, you guys will see me just putting a little bit of my braiding jam on my client hair, and you guys know that I do use the rubber band method when I do a lot of my braided styles, twists, locks. And yeah, so I'm going to put her hair in a rubber band, and then I'm going to show you guys how I add the curly hair in. I add the curly hair in before I wrap around the newbie spring twist hair, and I'm going to show you guys here in a second how I do that. So here you guys see I'm done adding in all the curly hair. I braided those in. It is nice and full. These are considered my medium size, but these are nice and full. You guys will see that here. Y'all see how neat and beautiful that is? So now here, I'm finna show y'all how I add this hair on there. So here, I just kind of add the hair to the root and just start to twist the hair around that braided extension of curly hair that I added. I am going to insert a clip in here that's going to be close up so you guys can see how I actually add the hair. And I used one piece, I split it in half. I don't use the whole twist as it come out. I spread it apart, I split it in half, and then as you see here, I'm just taking another little piece to add to the bottom, just to complete the twist down so the curl can be just a little bit of curl at the tip. See how I slowed it down there? So you guys know y'all can rewind it just to see it again, but I'm going to have a close-up clip here soon to show you guys a little bit in more detail how I add the newbie spring twist to this lock. close-up clip of me adding in the spring twist to the curly hair that I braided into my client's head. You're gonna see me place the newbie spring twist on the root. I'm gonna hold a little bit in my left hand, and I'm gonna wrap around my right hand with the rest that's hanging. And I'm gonna be just wrapping the hair around that plait all the way down. You guys make sure you wrap tight, not too tight, and it's gonna naturally give you that distressed look because of the way the spring twist is naturally. So yeah, that's what you guys gonna see me do here. And I'm gonna finish my client up for you guys to see the finished look. Just look at that, y'all. It just looks so good. Okay, y'all see how full these locks look? Oh, y'all, they are so beautiful. So I do oil all of my clients' scalp. You know, we need that. And then I'm going to set them up before I set them under the dryer. So here you're going to see me add a little foam to my client. I'm going to add some foam. I'm going to add some edge control, get them edges down right. I'm going to spritz it down. And I'm gonna tie my little head wrap around here, and then we're gonna set her under the dryer for about 10-15 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys what the finished product look like. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. So beautiful, y'all. My client loved them, and I loved them too. This is what they look like. I hope you guys liked what I showed you guys. This is how I do my distressed goddess locks. You guys make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be placing some still shot pictures at the end of the video so you guys can see, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys soon.